Bakit ganun? Bakit? It's not fair. Bakit tuwing magtutuos na lang kami ni Deborah, she's the winner? Noong pasibog ko, nag-join kami. Nung Busy Bullet John Beauty Contest, siya ang winner. Sa high school, siya ang hinirang na prom queen. It's not fair. I am such a loser! Loser! Rita? Is that you?
Hello, Aya. May I call you Aya?
Uy? Bakit ganyan ang OOTD mo? Channel. Naka-channel ka.
I'd like to reintroduce myself. I'm not who you think I am. I was in an accident at nagkaroon ako ng amnesia. But now it has all come back to me. My name is Rita Villon, billionaire. Uri kaihan ni Senyor Daniel Villon, ang totoong nagmamayari ng Señorita Sense.
Shocking.
Yes. I believe you and I have a common enemy. And I need your help to get back my company from that evil Tita Deborah of mine.
Uy, Rita. Tutulungan kitang mabawi ang kumpanya mo. Tutulungan kitang mapabagsak yung Tita Deborah of yours.
Thank you. Oui, madame.
Paparamdam ko sa kanya ang kamandag ng isang biyodang Frances.
Thank you, Micah. Everything is set. May surprise party si Tita Deborah ngayon. Now I can expose her for the crook that she is.
Rita, are you sure sa gagawin mo?
I've never been so sure of myself. Kailangan ko mabawi ang kumpanya sa kanya. Señorita Sense na lang ang nag-iisang legacy ng daddy ko and I cannot let her take that away from me.
Well, you know that Deborah is a very tough opponent and she will never accept defeat.
If I have to fight tooth for nail, I will do it. Para lang makuha what is rightfully mine. Pinagkaita na ako ng hustisya. Now I'm seeking revenge for those people who have wronged me.
Go, gal. Basta always remember, nandito ako sa tabi mo.
Talo ka, you're moving.
Ay, kabo! Bonjour, Deborah.
Ligaya. Are you here to congratulate me on my victory? Or are you just here to ruin my party?
Huwag masyadong maging happy-happy dahil malapit nang matapos ang maliligaya mong araw.
Do I hear your insecurity talking? Oh, maybe insecure ka lang sa akin. Kasi alam mo na mas mayaman, mas powerful na ako sa'yo ngayon.
Gusto mo bang magsampalan tayo ng passbook? Halika, magsampalan tayo ng passbook.
Ay, naku, Ligaya. Wala ka talagang breeding.
At least, hindi ako iniwan ng aking asawa para sa ibang babae.
How dare you? At least ako, meron akong 2 adorable children, Piper and Edison. Eh, ikaw?
Well, I have Ninia. I consider her as my own daughter.
Ikaw talagang successful ka. Eh, bakit hindi ikaw may paandar nito? Eh, hindi ba dapat ikaw ang nagpa-party at hindi ako? Sino bang party ang ginigate crush mo? Kanino bang party? Hindi ba sa akin? Oh!
ne pas encore fin. I am not done yet.
Akala mo ikaw lang ang marunong mag-French? Huwag mo akong fini-French. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir?
No way! Never ako makikipagtalik sa iyo. Never.
Yan pa ang ibig sabihin noon? Oh, aminin mo na. Isa ka lang kasing talunan!
Loser. Never, Deborah. Well, should I say goodbye to your fabulous life? As we say it in French, Varou la life. Because she is back.